Alright, you guys, welcome back to the Mad Swine Backyard Barbecue. Today I got a fast, fun, and easy one for you guys. Leftovers for breakfast. That's right, this is the tri-tip and the picanha I made the other night, and this is what's left over. Bam, and now it's chopped up. Ready for some bite-sized pieces to go in that little breakfast pan. So with that, here's my serrano chiles, 3 of them. You guys know I like my serrano chiles. And here's half an onion chopped up on that block, heading to the left. And now we got heading to the right, 4 large eggs. And it's about to fall off that cliff and scramble itself into that bowl. Bam, there you go. This is all my ingredients. Well, I'm also going to use SPG, extra virgin olive oil, and a little bit of butter. So check this out, guys. Enjoy. All right, so I'm just sauteing up the onions and the serrano chiles with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I want to make sure these get nice and caramelized. What are you waiting for, Blue? Huh? What are you waiting for? Okay. Alright, now I'm going to throw in the picanha and the tri-tip. Get that up in there. I'm going to hit it with a little bit of SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. Oh yeah. And a little bit of butter. Smells good. All right. I'm gonna now drop my eggs mix right in the center. Blue, what are you waiting for, Blue? Huh? I know what you're waiting for. Alright. Ain't fooling nobody. Bam! And I'm gonna go ahead and turn off this heat. And I'm gonna let it sit right there for a few minutes. Oh yeah. Check up on it in about 2 minutes. I actually turned it over, and this is what it looks like right now. Look at that. It smells good. By turning it over, I mean went under there and kind of moved it around. Look at that. Now, that's good with some toast, with some tortillas, just alone, with some salsa on top, with some cheese, however way you want it. That's how you do them leftovers the next day. Any kind of leftovers. Pulled pork. That's really good with pulled pork. Uh, any type of brisket. Any type of anything. Hell, turkey too. There it is. Yeah. Let's dig in. Mmm. Holy crap. That's good. Spicy. Alright guys. Hope you guys like this. Enjoy.